Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the toy on a padded surface and locating the safety eye assembly. You want good light and a towel to catch small parts. Use pliers in your dominant hand and a seam ripper or small flat tool in the other. You begin by feeling the back where the washer sits. Once done, push gently on the front cap with the flat tool to separate tension, because the washer is usually a crimped or split ring holding the post tight. You next expose the washer by opening a small seam or stretching fabric about 1/4 inch. Make sure to keep the stuffing away from the hole. Grip the post with pliers to stabilize it, and then use the flat tool or seam ripper to pry the washer's edge. If it's a split washer, twist while pulling to unseat it. Work slowly because rapid force can tear fibers. Once the washer moves, the front cap will push through and the eye will come free. You finish by pulling the cap and post out and setting them aside. Then assess the hole. If minimal, push stuffing back and close the seam with small ladder stitches so tension is even. If the fabric frays, apply a tiny dab of fabric glue inside the seam before stitching to reinforce it. If the hole is large, insert a small patch from inside. One key troubleshooting tip: if the washer won't budge, widen access a bit more rather than forcing, which prevents permanent tearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.